Why is it so windy? Oh no. Wait, it creates a... Ouch. Yes! I'm gonna get into the shelter. I can number one. Oh, that shelter is broken already. Come on. Ouch. Safety. Come on. I don't want to die. No, give me. The wind is not 60. Help. Die. No, help. I'm gonna die. Superman. Yeah. No. This world looks good, but the storm is coming tomorrow. I'm gonna die on my leg. The guys built shelter. Okay. You guys seriously gonna leave me alone? Because this is betrayals. Hi guys! Ouch! Hey, I'm never gonna die! Oh, help me! I'm surviving this. Go to the safe zone. The storm is so big. Come on, I got this. No, my leaf. Oh, my hair got blown away. Today I'm in a peaceful world. We'll see. The storm is coming in 3 days. What? No!